If you could remove a cubic meter anywhere in the world, how do you cause the most chaos? In order to cause the most chaos, I'd wait until the Pope, arguably one of the most powerful people alive, is giving an important speech of some kind. Then, while a massive chunk of the world is watching, poof, no more head. At this point, it doesn't really matter if someone is religious or not. People just saw a man's head vanish, and there's video of it. Everything that anyone believes is pretty much thrown into question. Is there a God, and did they do this? If so, why did they dislike the Pope so much? What exactly is the science behind a man's head being deleted from existence? Matter can't be created or destroyed, so WTF just happened? I can see two likely reactions to this occurrence. People freak out and assume it's the end of days, or the scientific community is thrown into chaos as one of its most basic theories is seemingly thrown out the window.